Introducing SliderPLUS V5, the magically extending slider and its revolutionary motion control add-ons. With its patented unique design, SliderPLUS is the first slider in the world that combines portable size with long camera travel. It gives twice the amount of camera travel compared to regular sliders at its size. Since the rails of SliderPLUS move together with a camera, they won't get in the shot, which means you will also get twice the Dolly in-out range. Thanks to its compact design, you will only be carrying half of what you actually need to carry and work in tight spaces much more efficiently. You will always have your SliderPLUS with you, work faster with it, and shoot more on your productions in the same amount of time. SliderPLUS has 4 models based on motion range and carrying capacity. All models fit perfectly in the edelkrone backpack, making it even easier to carry. It requires only a few seconds to set up for quick filming and has an instant lock button that makes it safe and easy to relocate when changing scenes. SliderPLUS can also be operated on the ground with the help of its seamlessly designed foldable legs. The legs now have a new locking mechanism, as our beloved filmmaker community requested so. All SliderPLUS parts are CNC machined from the highest grade aluminum. Most of its parts are machined from monoblocks to ensure lifetime durability, and with its outstanding moving components, it delivers silky, smooth, and consistent motion. Details like magnetic snap-on belt clips that saves you time and retracting mounting screws that protects your bag from tears are carefully thought out for a flawless experience.
Are you ready to move? With the Benro MoveOver 8B portable camera slider, you can achieve cinematic camera movements with ease. Perfect for the filmmaker who wants enhanced production value, this slider is a travel-friendly solution to capturing flawless slider shots. With 35.4 inches of actual camera travel, you can push further to go the distance. The two 15-layer 8mm carbon fiber rails provide smooth and quiet operation while maintaining lightweight strength, making the end result that much better. Supporting up to 17.6 pounds, this slider will flawlessly support the weight of DSLRs or HD video cameras, as well as a flat base head. Each end block is made from CNC machined aluminum and include 3 8/16 and 1/4 20 threads on the underside and 2 1/4 20 threads on the top side. The included pivoting all-terrain legs have micro-leveling capability and positive locking rosette connectors. Center mounting the slider is made easy with the included cheese plate underneath the rails, which allows you to attach a camera plate or tripod to 3 8/16 or 1/4 20 threads. Try mounting your slider upside down on Apple boxes or anything of the same height for a unique slider angle. Adding prominent foreground elements to your scene will provide depth and add flavor to your shot. For more tips on how to get the most out of your slider, check out our slider tips and tricks video. When it's time to go, just pack your slider in the included padded carrying case with shoulder strap for easy transport and protection. Combining lightweight strength with portability and guaranteed value, the Benro MoveOver 8B camera slider gives you the capability to enhance your production value and take your work to a new level. So what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Red Dot awarded design and engineering team has created a compact motion control tool perfect for video content creators. We've designed a beltless mechanism with 50-micron sensitivity which prevents jitters, jumps, or vibrations, and just buttery smooth slide and dolly shots. The outstanding horizontal, vertical, and incline operations provide more effective energy usage for longer battery life. Trexo Slider can fit nearly in every backpack. You'll bring the professional performance everywhere you go. So we also designed Trexo Slider to be programmable without using a mobile phone. Simply move the Trexo Slider by hand and set starting and finishing points. Now you can move the slider between those 2 points without using a mobile device. Spend less time programming and more time on what really matters. Trexo Slider will always synchronize with the mobile app so that you can save, share, and play your favorite programmed movements anytime you want at the push of a button. The days of managing batteries and chargers before you're able to shoot are over. Trexo Slider provides 6 hours of continuous movement. You can even extend the battery life by simply connecting a power bank, perfect for those long time-lapse shots. With a single tap, you can convert your camera movement to a motion time-lapse without the hassle of calculations. We know that sound performance is crucial for a quality video. With the beltless design and ultra-silent motor, you'll always have clean audio when using Trexo Slider. Trexo Slider can be operated with the intuitively designed Trexo Motion app, which can also be used with the upcoming Trexo Motion products.